From the KBIA Newsroom in Columbia, I'm Charlie Dahlgren. A Springfield, Missouri nonprofit has been awarded $2.5 million from the Bezos Day One Families Fund. The Kitchen Inc. received the money for its efforts to help families get stably housed. The organization offers 90-day shelter space, small apartments with beds, a kitchen area, and a bathroom. Caseworkers provide wraparound services like help with employment, mental health, healthcare, and childcare. The Kitchen Inc.'s executive director, Malia Spencer, says the grant will allow them to expand those services.
So they can quickly move from crisis to permanent housing and be on that path to success.
Spencer says they've seen an increase in the number of unhoused families seeking help. The Kitchen Inc. was the only organization in Missouri awarded Bezos Day One Families Fund money this round. As temperatures fall in mid-Missouri, the Columbia City Council is allocating over $1 million towards social services aimed to help homeless people survive the winter. The Columbia Missourian reports the council approved the use of city funds to support overnight shelter, drop-in center, and overnight warming center services from 2 homeless service groups. The allocations are part of an ongoing city effort to combat homelessness in and around Columbia. The council also heard updates on mental health, emergency services, new electric vehicle chargers, and a partnership with the county sheriff to train the city's police dogs and their handlers. Proponents and opponents of Missouri's mid-decade congressional redistricting are at odds over whether a map passed in September is currently in effect. St. Louis Public Radio's Jason Rosenbaum says the disagreement is likely to lead to yet another redistricting-related lawsuit.
People, not politicians, turned in signatures last week to put the new congressional map up for a statewide vote. But Secretary of State Denny Hoskins says the new lines went into effect on Thursday.
The map would not be frozen until I certify the referendum.
Richard Von Glahn of People Not Politicians says his group's signature submission froze the 2025 map.
If they actually take steps to try to implement this law illegally, yeah, there will be a lawsuit.
The result of this legal dispute could determine if Missouri's new congressional districts are in place for the 2026 midterm elections. I'm Jason Rosenbaum.
The Southern Boone County School District will not adopt a 4-day school week for the 2026-2027 school year. KOMU 8 reports the Southern Boone Board of Education tabled a vote on the new schedule at its meeting Monday. The decision was made after the board decided there was not enough data to fully understand the impact of a 4-day school week. The proposition would have had classes scheduled Tuesday through Friday from 7:50 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. This means each school day would be extended by 40 minutes. Across the state, 173 out of 518 school districts have adopted a 4-day school week. I'm Charlie Dahlgren, KBIA News, Columbia.